Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment. Nice ones anyways. Most of all, subscribe. I'm going to show you how awesome a Chevy transfer case is and show you what not to do and what the problem was. You can also like me on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. And here we go. So we were in Daytona Beach back in September of this year, and we're from Grand Rapids, Michigan, and we experienced a little transfer case problem because I believe it ran out of fluid, and this is what happens. I don't know if you know this or not. Maybe you don't know much about cars, but that hole's not supposed to be there. That hole's not supposed to be there. That's not supposed to be separated from that. I drove this truck 1,200 miles hearing parts flying out, and it made it back. That is Chevy awesome.
Now show me the other side.
I was 100% scared. Ow. Ugh. Head to the lift. So that is flipping crazy and awesome at the same time. We knew we had a transfer case problem. If I'd have found this, well, obviously it wasn't this bad, but you could hear these parts flinging off as we were driving. We drove straight through, went as well as we could, and for some miracle of God, we made it all the way back.
Dude, there's a hole between every single rib on the tail, on the output.
Really?
Every single flat plane is blown out.
Wow.
This
This is wow. This is pretty awesome stuff. If you don't believe in Chevys, you should. Just to make sure everybody knows that I'm actually replacing it with a good transfer case. There's our new transfer case, nice and beautiful. By the way, this truck had over 200,000 miles on it. I'm not quite sure how many it was, but I think the problem was I should have checked the transfer case fluid before I went down there, and I drove down there just fine. I mean, it drove excellent. And we didn't start experiencing this problem until the way back. But now it's going to be rectified. Probably won't get no core feedback for this thing. But anyways, this video is helpful. Please like, share, comment. Most of all, subscribe. Nice comments. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. You can't break what's already broken. Like me on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. God bless. Have a great day.